in my house celebrating 24.
24th, yes. December 24th, Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay, let's multiply. Let's continue with multiplying 3 digits and 4 digits regrouping. Let's finish work on page 91. Yesterday we didn't finish this part, so we're going to finish today, and then we're going to work in the notebook. Now, we're going to compare. Remember, when we compare, we use these signs if it is greater, less, or equal. So we're going to copy and solve. So you need your notebook to solve because we don't have a space on the book, but we're going to write the answer on the book. Right? If it is less, greater, or equal. So let's find it out here. We have number 1, that is 11. We have 5 times 352. We are going to find the answer of this multiplication and the answer for 4 times 440. We need to get the product. We need to get the answer to find if it is greater, less, or equal the product. So let's find number 1, 5 times 352. Who knows the answer of this multiplication? 5 times 352. Siyan? Yeah, do you have any comment? Do you have any questions? You know the answer for this?
Miss, I know the answer. I'm Gabriela, but I know the answer of 4 multiply 440.
Okay, don't worry. What is the answer of this, of number 1? This one. Do you have the answer of this or of the second one?
The second one.
Of the second one? Okay, what's the answer of 4 times 440?
1,760.
60, that is your answer?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. That is the answer. 4 times 440 is that.
For the other, that is for the other.
Khaled, you have the answer for number 1, 5 times 352.
4 plus 4. Is that?
It's the same answer. It's the same answer for both exercises. Okay, so 1,660, right? Now we have the product for both. For number 1 is 1,760, and for number 2 it's the same. So which of these signs we're going to use, class?
Equal.
They are equal. So let's write it down in the space equal because it's the same result. We have the same product, the same answer. If we compare them, we find it out that even though we multiply 4 times 440 or 5 times 352, we get the same product. Now let's make the same for the next one. We're going to multiply, find the answer for this, 6 times 8,167, and the answer for 9,834 times 5. Okay.
I have the first one.
You have the first one. What's the answer of number 1?
49,002.
49,002. This one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Danny. Who has the answer for number 2? Let's check if that is the answer. 6 times 8,167.
Gabriela.
Gabriela, you have the same answer?
No.
No, you have a different answer?
Yes.
For number 1, what is the answer that you have?
49,170.
170, the same that has Khaled. For number 1, 6 times 8,167. Okay, let's check that answer. Okay. Let's use this space. Okay, we have 8,167 times 6, right? We're going to multiply this. We start first with 6 times 7. What's the answer of 6 times 7, class? 6 times 7. 42. So we write the number 2 and we regroup the 4. Okay, the 4. 6 times 6. What's the answer of 6 times 6?
36.
36 plus 4.
40.
40, that's right. So we write it down, 0 on the tens, and we regroup 4 as hundreds. Now 6 times 1,
49,000.
6 plus 4,
0.
that's right, it's 0 because we have 6 plus 4, 10, so we write 0, and we regroup the 1. Now 6 times 8. You multiply 6 times 8 plus 1. 49, that's right. 48 plus 1, 49.
The answer is correct.
So the answer is correct. We have 49 thousandths, 2. That is the answer. That's correct. Yes, Danny's answer is correct. Because if you can notice, we identify the answer that is that. So it's correct. Excellent. Now let's check number 2. 9,834 times 5. Who has the answer for this multiplication? Number 2.
Gabriela, I tell
Yeah.
you.
Okay. What's the answer for
The
number
other
2?
one is the other one. The answer that.
49,170.
Oh, that was for number 2. Okay, let's find out which one. Let's see. We have number 1 is 49 thousandths 2 greater, less, or equal than this number.
Less than.
It's less than. So which sign we're going to make if it is less?
Last.
Esta.
This one, right?
Yes.
That one. Excellent. 6 times 8,167 is less than 9,834 times 5. Okay, let's find out next one. We have 3,956 times 4. Who has the answer
I
for
have
Danny? You have it? Okay, what is the answer that you have?
15,824.
8,844.
24.
24. Okay, thank you. Now, who has the answer for number 2? You have to solve in your notebook. Solve the multiplication to check if you have the same answer of your class. Khaled, you have the second one?
Yes.
Okay, which answer you have for the second one?
3,800.
Hundreds or 38 thousandths?
38,000. 4,600.
46.
No. 46.
400.
400.
460.
60.
460.
Okay, 38,460. It's correct, Danny?
Yes.
Lucia, Adamas, is it correct the answer of your classmates?
Yes.
Yes, Lucia, Adamas says yes. Santiago Chavez, Alberto, Fernando de Alessandro. Is it correct the answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now which signs we're going to use? We're comparing this number, this product with the second one. It's 15,824 greater, less, or equal than this.
Last.
It's less. So again, we're going to use the same sign, right? We're going to make the same. It's less. Okay, in the same for the next one. 740 times 7. What's the answer of 700 times 7?
500, 180.
Again?
500, 180. 5,000.
5,180. Now, 8 times 658.
5,264.
254?
64.
64. Okay, thank you, Lucia. Now, 5,180, it's greater, less, or equal than 5,264.
Less.
It's less. So we're going to write the same sign, right? It's less. Now, next one, number 15. 4 times 3,645.
14,580.
have the answer of 5 multiply.
Okay, 5 times 2,834. You have it, Gabriela?
Yes.
Okay, tell me the answer.
14,170.
117?
Yes, yes,
170? Okay, 14,170. Excellent.
yes.
Now, look at these numbers. We have 14,580. This amount
Greater.
more, it's greater. So what is the sign that we're going to use? Which of these ones?
It's,
It's the contrary, right? We're going to use the contrary. It's going to be the next one. That's right. It's going to be this one. Because we're saying it's greater.
This I have the answer of 6,573 plus times 2
Mhm. What's the answer, Lucia?
is 3. No. 13,146.
13 thousandths?
146.
146. Okay. And 4,365 times 3 class?
13,095.
95. Okay. Excellent. Now, we're going to compare these amounts, these products. What is the sign that we're going to write after?
Greater.
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 Again, we're going to make the same of this one. It's greater. So we compare these multiplications. In order for us to compare, we need to find the product. We need to solve the multiplications to know if it is greater, less, or equal. Yes, did you finish? Did you completed this part in your book, page
Yes.
91?
Yes.
Yes, all of you? If you have the same answer, put a check if you have the same.
No, miss, no.
No? Okay, I'm going to take the attendance, Mia. While I'm taking the attendance, you need to finish. Santiago Hernandez, Joshua Sian, remember, have your camera
I
on.
finish.
Okay. Let's copy this in your notebook. You're going to copy this in your notebook and find the answers.
Miss, I didn't finish.
You done finished? Okay, then we're going to go back. Copy this in your notebook. Copy this in your notebook. Camila. Then I'm going to put the last one that was missing. Ana, Andrea, and Camila.
Present.
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 Gabriela, Isabela, Kiara.
Present.
Present.
Okay, excellent. Lucia, Mia, and Rebecca.
Present.
Mia. Mia Valentina, not connected. Okay, Rosa, Valerie, and Zian. Rosa, Valerie, and Zian. Zian is here.
Rosa has excuse.
Excuse, yes. Valerie, is Valerie connected? No, right? Alberto, Dani, and Fernando.
Present. Present.
Present.
Hermes, Joshua, and Caleb.
Present.
Present.
Great. Marcelo, Santiago Hernandez, and Santiago Chavez.
Present.
Santiago Hernandez.
Present.
Miss, I am
Hermes. Present.
Okay, Hermes. Mia Valentina, it's Santiago Hernandez. Do you have any problem with your video?
Present, miss.
Mia? No, you're
No.
here connected? Okay.
Yeah, Mia, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Mia.
Dos. Igual era.
Okay, did you finish, Mia, to work on
Teacher.
these exercises? Santiago Hernandez, did you finish?
No he terminado, pero ahorita las
I
solo las estoy
finished.
copiando y después la apoyamos.
Okay, copy this in your notebook and solve. it.
Teacher,
Tell me, Marcelo.
to multiply the 2 and all the numbers to the 3 numbers to arriba.
Okay, Marcelo, we're going to multiply
Sí,
134
multiplicar todos
times.
los números con el mismo 2.
Yes, we multiply each of the digits
I have
with
the
number
answer
2.
of. I have the answer of number 1.
Okay, hold on.
Miss, I have the answer.
Okay, hold on. Marcelo, we multiply 2 times 4, please. First, then 2 times 3, and then 2 times 1. What's the answer of 2 times 4, Marcelo?
8.
2 times 4 or 4 times 2?
8. 8, Miss. 8. 8.
Okay, Mia says 8. 4 times 2 equal 8. If you can notice,
3 times-
Marcelo, we
3
write
times
number
2
8
equals
down
6.
here. 4 times 2. Now we
Igual-
continue. 2 times 3.
Igual to...
Entendí.
Yeah, Miss,
Okay.
I have the answer is this.
And 2
2.
times 1, 2. That's right.
Sí.
Yeah, look in the chat.
You have the same answer, Mia. That's great. 268. Fernando, is the same answer that you have? Yes. Okay, that's great.
Correct.
It's correct,
Correct.
Danny. Gabriela, it's correct. Okay, remember, we multiply all the digits. 2 times 4, 2 times 3, and 2 times 1. If you need to regroup, you need to regroup and add if there is missing one. Okay, let's see next one. We have 203 times 3. Again, we multiply 3 times 3.
609.
9.
3 times 3.
609.
3 times 1.
609.
3 times.
What is the topic?
The topic, remember, just
Let's
write it
practice.
down. Let's practice. Let's practice because there are multiplication. You can write it down.
0.
Yes,
Zero. Where is
0.
the 0? 3 times 3. What's the answer? 3 times
Miss,
3?
I have the
3
answer.
times 3
in the
is
chat.
609.
609. Yeah, is correct. This.
Miss teacher, 3 times 3 is not 6.
Yeah. Look at it.
Which one? Marcelo?
3
No.
times 3.
3 times 3 equal 9. 3
That's
times
the
1,
answer.
3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Copy your notebook. Let's open your notebook. Remember,
I copy all.
copy
I
everything.
finished all.
Okay, let's give the chance Santiago Hernandez. Just Santiago Hernandez, microphone off. The rest, microphone off. Remember.
Okay.
Listo,
Okay, Santiago Hernandez, 541 times 7. We're going to multiply 7 times 1. What's the answer of 7 times 1? Santiago?
7.
Okay, equals 7. That's right. Excellent. 7 times 4.
Mm. 20.
No, 7 times 4 or 4 times 7.
2. 2.
Okay, Santiago Hernandez, 7 times 1, you say 7. 7 times 2, Santiago. 7 times 2. If you have 7 and you add 7 or 7 times 2.
27.
7 times 2, 27. No, 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, Santiago Hernandez. If you have 14 and you add 7, thank you, Joshua. Okay. Seven times 3. Who knows the answer? Let's give the chance to somebody else.
Miss is
28.
21. 7 times 428. Okay, thank you. You can mute your microphones. Now, Santiago Hernandez, we have, Santiago Hernandez, we have 7 times 4 equals 28. So we write the 8 here. We regroup the number 2 as 2 hundreds. Now we say, Santiago Hernandez, your video, Santiago Hernandez, please. 7 times 5, we have to multiply 7 times 5. 7 times 5, Santiago Hernandez. Or 5 times 7 is the same answer. 7 times 5 or 5 times 7.
3.
Hey, you're close. No, 6 times 5 is 30. But 7 times 5?
35.
35.
Is 35. That's right.
Yeah.
7 times 5, Marcelo, is 35. Plus 2, Santiago Hernandez. We have 7 times 5, 35. Plus 2. 35 plus 2.
Oh, you said.
Santiago.
37.
Santiago
37.
Hernandez.
Yes.
Yes. What is the answer of 35 plus 2, Santiago Hernandez?
Mm,
35 plus 2.
mm, 28.
No, 35. Look here. 35 is an addition. 35 plus 2. 37. That's right. 37. So we are going to copy the 37, Santiago Hernandez. 37 because we don't have more digits to multiply. And we write the comma here. Write the comma. Okay, thank you, Santiago. Let's see now, give the chance to Rebecca. 316 times 4. Let's multiply this. We've multiplied 6 times 4. 6 times 4, Rebecca.
24.
24. Okay, let's write it down 4 and we regroup the 2. 4 times 1.
4.
Plus 2.
6.
So and now 4 times 3.
12.
It's 12. That's right. And we write the comma, right? Excellent. So as you can notice, we don't have more digits. So we're finished here. 1,264 as the answer. Excellent. Okay, let's multiply the next one. Alberto, 182 times 5, Alberto. We have to multiply 5 times 2 first. 5 times 2.
Miss Caleda, you have the
Answer.
Okay, hold on. I said Alberto, just Alberto. I have just one Alberto. Okay, Alberto, 5 times 2 or 2 times 5.
10.
10, that's right. So we write a 0 and regroup the 1. 5 times 8.
Oh.
40 plus 1.
Mm. 41.
Okay, 40 plus 1. Okay, we have 40 plus 1. What's the answer of 40 plus 1?
41.
41.
41, that's right. So let's write it down here, 41. So we write just the one, remember, 41. And we regroup the 4 as 400s. Now, 5 times 1, sorry. 5 times 1, Alberto, just Alberto, Mike,
5.
plus 4,
9.
9, that's right. So we write down here number 9. Alberto, Fernando, this is the answer that you have, 910? Yes,
Correct.
Hermes, you have the answer, Hermes? No, you have a different. What is your answer, Hermes? Thank you, Alberto.
It's correct.
640.
Yeah, yes, Miss, is
640 in
the,
this one, Hermes?
yeah, is the answer.
Okay, let's check again the answer. We have 5 times 2 equal 10.
It's correct, Miss.
We write a 0 and we copy number 1 here. 5 times 8 equal 40 plus 1, 41. We write number 1 and we regroup the 4. 5 times 1, 5 plus 4, 9. Now it's correct, Hermes, 910? Yes? Okay, excellent. Don't forget to add. If you forget to add this number that you're regrouping, the answer is going to be incorrect. Yes? Lucia, you have the answer of 301 times 8, Lucia?
Yes.
What is the
Yes.
answer for that one?
2,308.
2,308. That is your answer?
Yes.
That is the answer, class? Did you finish the work on that or not?
408.
No, yeah, well, 400, yes.
480.
Yeah, it's correct. 400.
400.
400. Oh, okay.
Really?
400.
4. Yeah, is that answer.
I have the
That is
other
the
one.
answer. Okay, okay. 247 times 6. Who said that has the answer?
100.
I miss, yeah, my.
Okay, Donnie. Let's see Donnie.
1,182.
82. That is the answer, Mia?
No, miss. It's 4,
400.
yeah,
400.
four.
Okay, sorry.
80.
482. 1,482.
Yeah, it's
Camila is the same answer that you have,
Correct.
Camila?
Yeah, miss.
Yes. Joshua is the same answer that you have. Kiara?
Miss, I have the answer in the next.
1,482. Yes.
Miss, I have-
Isabella, you have the answer 168 times 9. Isabella?
No, miss, I'm in
You're in another exercise? Okay. Who has the last answer?
Yeah, me. I have.
Have it, Mia?
Yeah, it's es que no sé cómo se dice, pero.
Try to send in English. Remember the numbers. You know the numbers in English.
What? Es que no puedo decir.
70.
For 150, 12 or
4 thousandths of 400, Mia?
no, 152. Pero 5, por favor. Sí, 5.
No. How do you say the numbers, Mia? How do you say 9 times 8, 9 times 6, and 9 times 1? We get in one answer. Lucia, would you like to help your classmate Mia to pronounce the number?
Yes.
Please answer in the chat.
No, but you need to say it in English. You need to say, how do you read that number? This number. Lucia, Mia says that this is the answer. How do you say this number in English?
Is 1,512.
That's right.
Thank you, Lucia.
1,000. Thank you, Lucia. 1,000. Remember, 1,000. If the number that they are here before the comma, we say thousands. They are in a new period. 1,512. Mia, say the number, please. This number. How do you read this number in English?
1,052.
No, 512.
512.
Again, one more time, the number. 1,512.
100.
1,512. Okay.
512.
Okay. Let's finish the class. Let's finish the class. Okay. Remember, we don't have homework. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss. Bye.
Gabriela, today is December 1st.
See you next class.
Yes, but one of
December. We're in December.
no one
Bye,
of
Miss. Bye.
12